For anybody that owns a Samsung Smart Hub TV, you guys, I am here to help you guys on how to turn on your motion sensor on or your voice command on. Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Kidjeffjay signing in, and I highly appreciate every single one of you guys returning back to the channel. With that, so you guys are beautiful and amazing. Alright guys, today I am back with another amazing video for you guys today. I thank you so much for the support. Today's video is going to be a simple and fast video. For anybody that owns a Samsung Smart Hub TV, you guys, I am here to help you guys on how to turn on your motion sensor on or your voice command on. It is kind of a struggle on trying to turn on your motion sensor on or your voice command on. I had trouble with it. I figured out. We'll be learning today physically, and I'll be showing you guys on how to get there and switching it from off to on. So with that, don't worry, stay tuned. With that, let's go on straight to the TV. I'm finally here on my TV, you guys. This is a Samsung Smart Hub TV, as you guys already know. So the fact is that some of you guys are trying to get to play some video games with the hand motion sensor on. So I'm gonna show you guys on how to turn on these motion sensors and the voice command. So before I start the video, I'm gonna show you guys on what error that it gave me the first time I tried this and I couldn't figure it out. So let's see and first try it that way so you guys can see if you see the same thing I see on your TV. So let's check this out. So we press the Smart Hub TV button and it takes us to the Smart Hub center. So then after that, as you go down, I'm trying to go and play Angry Birds, right? Probably you guys are trying to play Angry Birds or you download a different app and then you get this error. Click on the Angry Birds, click OK. Make sure you guys are connected to the Wi-Fi as well. So as we press OK on the Angry Birds, I'm gonna show you guys the error I get. So this is the error I was getting. It says motion control is switched off or not active. Okay, so I just read you guys my error and I was like, how could I change this and how do I do it, and I didn't know how, right? So there you go. Now you grab your control, so you press the menu, go to system settings, you open it and then you go down. It skips motion sensor control and voice control. The reason it skips is because you have the game open. So what you have to do is you gotta exit the game. Either you could do this while you're watching TV or in any other source. So once again, I'm gonna open up my menu. Now I go to system preferences, make a right, go all the way down. As I go down, now I'm finally at voice and motion control, as you guys could see. So now that I'm not on the video game, it's actually letting me go to the voice and motion control options. So now you click OK. Alright, so there, finally we are here in voice control off and motion control on. Alright, so now that we have voice control on, now we are gonna go to the motion control. This is the one that I was having trouble with. So now I'm gonna go and turn it on. So that's how you do it. Now you go down, turn it on, there you go. And then motion control environment test. So you gotta do this test in order for it to work, in order for your camera to work. So you're gonna press start. Right, this test is complete, so now you press next. Wants you to go on the cameras, then you start waving. 20 seconds, there you go, as you guys can see the motion. So finally there it is done. The motion control, it's on already and you're ready to go and play some video games on your smart TV. Let's check it out. Let's see if it actually works. And let's get started. Let's go and play some Angry Birds real quick. So I'm going to show you a little bit and give you a little demonstration of how you do it. So you just grab your hand. Alright, there you go. So are you sure you want to quit? You press no. The way you control this, I'm trying to press the button, you just close your fist. There you go. Now we're going to close our fist right here as well. We take the little cloud. Are you want to quit? No. And then you go press play now. There you go. Assignment. We are in number 3 and see how we do. There you go. So now you just try to get that happy face. You grab the Angry Bird. You do it to the side. You go up or down. As you guys can see, we let go. Whee! That grab them. I'm gonna try to do it all the way up. Let them go. There you go. Bam! That's what I'm talking about. Boy, this game sucks. This TV sucks too. So anyway, so hopefully now you guys enjoy your TV with the motion sensor on and with your voice command. So with that, hopefully you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And to catch up on the rest of my videos, you guys, thank you so much for the support. You guys already know what time it is. This is Kidjeffjay signing out. Until the next time. Angry Birds.